How to remove Shopify store password, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the password from your Shopify store so anyone can visit your website without needing to log in. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin. Open your browser and go to shopify.com. Log into your account and select the store where you want to remove the password. Step 2. Go to Online Store Settings. From your go to the left sidebar and click on Online Store, then click on Preferences. Step 3. Scroll down to Password Protection. Scroll to the bottom until you see the section called Password Protection. If this box is checked, your store is currently protected and hidden from the public. Step 4. Uncheck the box. Now simply uncheck the option that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the password. Then click Save in the top right corner. And you're done. Your store is now live and publicly visible to everyone. No password required. Outro. And that's how you remove the password from your Shopify store in just a few steps. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.